everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Moving to Canada. If you're here, chances are you're considering a move to Canada, or maybe you're already in the process. Either way, we've got some important news for you today that could impact your plans, especially if you're planning to reunite with family in Quebec. Today, we're diving into a significant policy change that Quebec has recently implemented regarding family sponsorship. Starting from June 26, 2024, Quebec has set a cap on the number of spousal and family sponsorship applications it will accept. This is a major shift aimed at managing the increasing backlog and lengthy processing times for family reunification cases. We'll explore what this means for you, how it might affect your plans, and what steps you can take moving forward. Before we get started, make sure to check out the links in the description below. We've included some free resources and guides to help you navigate the Canadian immigration system more smoothly. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with the latest news and tips about moving and settling in Canada. So let's jump right into it. On June 26, 2024, Quebec introduced a new policy that sets a limit on the number of spousal sponsorship applications it will accept. This policy also affects sponsorship applications for children 18 and older, parents, grandparents, and other relatives, with some specific exemptions. Quebec's Ministère de l'Immigration, de la Francisation et de l'Intégration, or MIFI, has capped the number of applications at 13,000 over a 2-year period. This cap will be in place until June 25, 2026. Now, you might be wondering why Quebec has taken such a step. The main reason behind this move is to address the growing backlog of applications and the extended processing times that applicants have been experiencing. Currently, spousal sponsorship applications in Quebec can take anywhere from 28 to 34 months to process. This is significantly higher compared to the rest of Canada, where the processing time is around 10 months. By capping the number of applications, Quebec aims to create a more manageable and efficient system, reducing the waiting period for those who apply within the cap limit. However, this new policy is not without its challenges and concerns. For many families and couples hoping to reunite in Quebec, this cap represents a significant hurdle. The emotional and practical implications are substantial. Imagine being separated from your spouse or close family members for an extended period, with no certainty about when you might be reunited. It's a difficult situation, and this cap adds another layer of complexity to an already challenging process. Let's dive deeper into the specifics of the cap. The 13,000 application limit includes spousal sponsorships, as well as sponsorships for children 18 and older, parents, grandparents, and other relatives. However, there are some important exemptions to be aware of. The cap does not apply to 1. Sponsorship of dependent minor children. 2. Sponsorship of adopted children who are minors. 3. Sponsorship of an orphaned minor child of the sponsor's brother, sister, nephew, niece, grandson, or granddaughter. 4. Sponsorship of a sponsor's adult child who is dependent due to a disability, provided they are not married or in a common law relationship. 5. Applications to add a sponsored person's dependent child, spouse, or common law partner who is currently eligible for coverage under an existing undertaking. These exemptions are crucial for certain families and can make a significant difference in how the new policy affects them. So what happens if the cap is reached? If MIFI receives any non-exempt applications after the cap has been reached, those applications will be returned without being processed, and the application fee will not be collected. This means that families and couples who are affected will have to wait until the cap is either raised or removed to reapply. This uncertainty can be very stressful and frustrating for those trying to navigate the immigration process. Quebec's goal with this cap is to ensure that the number of family class applications matches the yearly immigration levels the province has set for 2024 and 2025. By doing so, they hope to streamline the process, reduce backlogs, and improve the overall efficiency of the system. However, This also means longer waiting periods for those who are unable to submit their applications before the cap is reached. For families and couples looking to reunite in Quebec, this new policy means that staying informed and updated on the latest developments is more important than ever. It's crucial to keep an eye on official government announcements and reliable immigration news sources to understand how these changes might affect your specific situation. If your application is returned due to the cap being reached, there are a few steps you can consider. Firstly, you might look into other immigration options that could allow you to reunite with your family sooner. This could include exploring different immigration programs or considering other provinces that may have different policies or shorter processing times. Additionally, staying patient and prepared for when the cap is raised or removed will be key. Make sure your application is complete and ready to resubmit as soon as you are able. We understand that this news can be disheartening, especially for those who have been waiting a long time to be reunited with their loved ones. The Canadian immigration process can be complex and sometimes overwhelming, but having the right information and resources can make a big difference. That's why we're here to provide you with the latest updates and tips to help you navigate this journey. Remember to check out the links in the description for free resources and guides that can assist you in understanding the Canadian immigration process better. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll stay updated with all the latest news and information about moving to and settling in Canada. As we wrap up, it's important to recognize the broader implications of this policy change. Quebec's decision to cap family sponsorship applications highlights the ongoing tension between regulatory efficiency and the fundamental human desire for family reunification. It's a delicate balance, and policies like this one will continue to evolve as Quebec navigates its immigration goals and the needs of its residents. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you found this information helpful and that it provides some clarity on the recent changes in Quebec's family sponsorship policy. If you have any questions or thoughts, please leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you and provide any additional information you might need. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content. We're committed to bringing you the most up-to-date information and helpful resources to make your move to Canada as smooth as possible. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.